Digital marketing hubs are to marketing teams what toolboxes are to builders. 100% absolutely essential. Not only do they keep a track record of what customers do and their progression through their buyer journey, but they also analyze data to help marketers construct a world-class marketing strategy. Now, there are loads of options available to you on the market. So what makes HubSpot's Marketing Hub so special, you ask? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, it's Liv here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Here at Neighbourhood, we live and breathe inbound marketing. What's more, we use Marketing Hub ourselves, not only for our clients, but for our own marketing. While we might argue that HubSpot's reputation more than speaks for itself, we know that numbers don't always sway the skeptics. So to those of you not yet convinced, this one's for you. Let me start by explaining how Marketing Hub allows you to streamline your marketing campaigns. In the olden days, marketers had to be well-versed in a range of different online tools to manage all digital aspects of a campaign. These tools might have included WordPress, Google Analytics, Hootsuite, MailChimp, and everyone's favorite, Excel. There was an endless list of marketing tools, each with a different purpose, scattered at different ends of the web. No one has time to go between platforms just to send an email or update a social post. This is where HubSpot presents itself as being particularly golden, as it's an all-in-one platform. You can create, publish, and track content across email, social media, websites, blog posts, paid ads, landing pages across numerous channels, saving you valuable time, money, resources, and hey, sanity. Secondly, you can optimize your content strategy with call to actions and forms. Contrary to popular belief, you don't actually need a design degree to create a cool looking CTA or call to action that converts leads into customers. Marketing Hub's Call to Action Builder helps marketers create CTA buttons for relevant content to pull people seamlessly through their buyer journey. These buttons can be integrated across web pages, landing pages, blog posts, social media posts, and emails, basically anywhere that you want them. Marketing Hub also allows you to easily create forms in a matter of seconds. When prospects fill any form, HubSpot pumps their info into your CRM or customer relationship management system to give your sales team the freedom to reach out through the email or call functionality inside HubSpot's sales suite. Next, Marketing Hub has this great tool to segment your lists. You can organize your current customers or companies on the basis of property values or activities, to name a few. This gives you access to advanced targeting to reach your objectives. Bounced contacts, ad audiences, loyal customers are just a couple of options you have available to you. Marketing Hub offers two main types of lists. It's important you learn the difference between them so you can use them effectively. The first one's an active list. These lists update automatically and add members when they meet preset criteria. It's best for personalized marketing emails and making outbound calls. The second is the static list. In contrast, these lists do not update automatically. Instead, once a member is listed, they're not deleted even if they fall out of the criteria. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every single week to your inbox. Fourth on the list is the award-winning customer support team. To make sure you get the very most out of their software, HubSpot has a support team ready to resolve any questions and issues you may have. The extra helping hand will empower you to keep moving forward and continue to deliver stellar experiences to your customers. And lastly, the HubSpot Solutions Directory. HubSpot has a list of marketing agencies for you to choose from to help you implement effectively inside the platform. You might ask what these agencies can do for you. Well, they'll help you with your marketing goals and generate more leads to increase your revenue. If you're looking for a HubSpot agency in Australia, then HubSpot Solutions Directory is the place for you. And there you have it. Now that we've given you an overview of HubSpot's Marketing Hub, you should have a better idea of what your business needs to succeed in marketing. If things are looking great and you can see this platform fitting alongside your other tools, then hit us up and we can talk you through the next steps. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with Marketing Hub. You could also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people just like Neighbourhood does. But for now, that's it from me. Happy marketing.